First, open the TwinCAT software. Create a new project. In the new project window, you can set the save location and project name. Next, click on I/O. Right-click on Devices and select Add New Item. Choose EtherCAT Master. Then select the network card connected to the device. Right-click on EtherCAT Master and select Scan. Once the scan is complete, you'll see the CN-8033 and the connected modules. Next, run the TwinCAT software. Open CT121F and assign a value to one of the module's channels externally. You'll see the channel value update in TwinCAT. Then, open CT222F's channels and assign values to all the channels in the software. At this point, all the channels on CT222F will light up. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.